How do annuities work with a Miller Trust? Have you ever wondered how annuities fit into the picture of a Miller Trust? This is a common question for those navigating Medicaid planning. A Miller Trust, also known as a qualified income trust, helps individuals qualify for Medicaid when their income exceeds the eligibility limits. It does this by redirecting excess income into the trust. When it comes to annuities, their role can vary based on the type of annuity and the specific Medicaid rules in your state. First, it is important to know that not all annuity payments are treated the same. Some annuity payments count as income and must be deposited into the Miller Trust, while others do not count towards income calculations and should remain outside the trust. For example, if you receive an annuity payment that is considered income and pushes you over the Medicaid income cap, that payment must go into the Miller Trust. However, if an annuity is structured in a way that it is excluded from income calculations, then it should not be placed into the trust. Placing excluded annuity income into the trust can jeopardize your Medicaid eligibility, so it is essential to be careful. Another key point is that Miller Trusts only hold income, not assets. This means that while you can deposit monthly annuity payments into the trust bank account, the actual annuity contract or any lump sums cannot be placed into the trust. The funds in the trust are managed by a trustee, who cannot be the Medicaid applicant. This trustee is responsible for using the funds to pay for the Medicaid recipient's share of costs for long-term care and other approved expenses. It is also important to note that Medicaid rules can differ from state to state. Some states may have specific guidelines on how annuities are treated in relation to Miller Trusts. Consulting with an elder law attorney who understands local Medicaid planning is crucial for determining how to handle annuities in your Miller Trust. Lastly, be cautious about which income sources you fund the Miller Trust with. Funding it with income that does not count toward Medicaid eligibility can invalidate the trust and lead to a loss of benefits. In summary, annuity payments that count as income and push a Medicaid applicant over the limit generally must be deposited into the Miller Trust. However, annuities that are excluded from income calculations should not be placed into the trust. The trust is designed to hold income only, and the trustee manages these funds for allowable expenses. Always check with an elder law professional to ensure you are following the right steps for your situation.